This is Easihold Natural, our plant-based stone and mulch glue made with sustainably sourced plant-derived resins. It is ready-to-use solution with a 1-star bio-based rating. It has VOC-free and delivers the same performance as the original Easihold using dual-pond technology. The formula is naturally antimicrobial, helping to reduce moss and algae growth. It also has a natural orange fragrance distilled from orange peel. As always, it contains 0 microplastics, and when applied correctly, the bond lasts up to 3 years. Application is completed in 3 steps. If you're applying onto stones like we are here, make sure that they are washed to remove dust and then completely dry. Apply the first spray using an airless sprayer. Compact the surface with a flat tool. Here, I'm using a recycled piece of wood. Wait around 30 minutes, then apply the second coat. Allow 36 hours before using the area.
With every bottle you purchase, a tree is planted. It's our way of giving back to the planet, so together we can grow a greener, more sustainable future.
Upgrade your landscape with Easihold. Stronger, cleaner and greener than ever. This is Easihold.